My name's Andy Peart. I look after the marketing and strategy for artificial solutions. We specialise in a form of AI that we refer to as natural language interaction, and it basically allows people to talk to devices, to applications, to websites in a very human-like, intelligent and conversational way. And we've chosen to approach this rather thorny technological issue in a slightly different way than many people in the market, in as much as we've built a platform. It's a platform that we call Teneo, and it's a platform that allows non-specialists to very quickly build these sophisticated conversational systems. And once they're built, they can be deployed across multiple languages, multiple channels and multiple platforms. And that's part of the story. There's another element which is all to do with the conversational data, because when people speak in a human-like way, they reveal an awful lot about what they're thinking, their likes, their dislikes, what they're looking for. And from that, if you can capture that conversational data and retain the context, you can then really start to get an insight into what customers are really thinking, and you can also use that insight and knowledge to start to personalize the responses that are given by these conversational systems. In the past, there's almost been two schools of thought about how you build these systems. One is a machine learning approach where there's kind of a little bit of a storyline, a myth around it. All you need to do is get a corpus of information, point a technology at it, and it will learn from that information, and hey presto, you have your virtual assistant in front of your very eyes. Now that's not really true. There's lots of issues behind that, not least in having that data. What if you don't have the data? What if you don't have enough data? What if it doesn't work properly and give you the right answer? How can you then tailor it? Well, the only thing you can do is throw more data at it. So machine learning has many strengths, but it also has weaknesses. The other camp is around linguistic learning, or you might also hear it referred to as a rules-based system, which is much more structured in terms of its approach, but has a reputation for being a little bit rigid and slow to build. Now, what we've done is taken the very best of machine learning and linguistic learning, put them together in the same solution so that you can really start to improve both the speed of building and the capabilities of those solutions. Increasingly, we see them becoming more and more conversational, the ability to be able to act like a human. And if somebody's asking a question that maybe doesn't have all of the information that's needed to answer that question correctly, for the automated assistant to be able to pick that up and respond with a qualifying question until it has got the detail. My phone's not working. Well, if that was a question to a live agent, you wouldn't just say, phone not working, you want to buy a new phone, you want to buy a new service, as an FAQ system might do. What you want to do is say, I'm sorry your phone's not working, what seems to be the problem? It keeps hanging. What you need to do is reboot it. How do I do that? What phone have you got? It needs to be a kind of conversation to get to enough information so that you can then answer correctly. And that's what I mean by a conversational system. And picking up on the previous point about a persona, again, that comes in, the ability to be able to reflect the character of a brand in the responses that are given.